Hello there, my electrifying enthusiasts. Ever gazed up at those towering power lines and pondered why they're not snuggled underground like their utility cousins, water and gas pipes? Let's illuminate this topic together, shall we? First off, accessibility and maintenance are the main characters in this high-wire act. Imagine if our power lines decided to play hide-and-seek underground. A simple power outage could turn into a full-blown excavation mission. By letting them bask in the open air, we can swiftly swoop in and fix any hiccups, restoring our beloved electricity in a jiffy. Safety, my friends, is another key player. Those buzzing power lines are cradling a potent electromagnetic field, harmless when lofted above, but potentially risky if lurking beneath our feet. Plus, their high-altitude hangout gives us a clear heads-up of their location, keeping us safe and sound. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, cost and practicality. Burying power lines is like throwing a lavish underground party, expensive and complicated. They're also more susceptible to Mother Nature's mood swings, like floods or earthquakes. Our above-ground lines, however, are easier to inspect and mend, minimizing blackout blues. Lastly, our sky-high power lines are champions of change. As our power needs evolve, these aerial acrobats can easily adapt and expand, ensuring we're never left in the dark. So, next time you spot those towering power lines, give them a nod of appreciation for their high-flying act, keeping our lives electrified and our pockets happy. Isn't that a shocking revelation, my friends?
Well, that's all there is for this nugget. You can go on to the next fact, or ask a question of your own. Just go to Ask a Question in the navigation, and we'll answer any question you have, about anything. And if you're not on our site, just go to nuggetstoKnow.com and you'll find everything there. Until next time, keep chasing your wildest dreams and uncovering new adventures.